morning, everyone. This is Gabriel reporting for February 14th. I'd like to wish everyone, first of all, a happy Valentine's and a great upcoming weekend. I'd like to educate everyone about some new technology that I think is worth talking about. In this scenario, we're going to be talking about the new Palm Pre. I'm currently a iPhone user, but for those of you that are looking for a new device, I just wanted to give you my opinion and also save you some time from going through the online web videos. So as you can see, looking at this picture, the phone is quite small. Looks like Sprint is going to be tagging along for this journey. Here are a few pictures of the device. This is it open. Here's the closed interface. It has a very similar iPhone interface, as you can see. They've included a 3-megapixel camera with a LED light, speakerphone, volume control over here. They have a sliding out keyboard, which is handy since their screen is so small. I'll be talking about a few really interesting features that they did mention. The ergonomics of the phone is really impressive for such a small all-in-one unit. Now, I just watched this video. There's 13 chapters. I watched all 6 at the front lineup, and then a couple other things here. And to highlight to all of you the important stuff is basically there's a few things about the phone which are really, really good. One of them is in chapter 6 called the WebOS. It talks about how all the data from your phone connects with a online cloud of information called Synergy, which is similar to the Apple way of using Mobile Me. But they use it a little bit better, Palm, in the sense that it gathers up all your information from both Facebook, your emails, and other programs to centralize it with one method of information so you don't get duplicates. Another thing that's really, really neat is the docking station in Chapter 9. You're going to see that the docking station is wireless electricity, in the sense that when you put the phone in its docking station bay, you're going to see that there's nothing holding it down other than the magnets itself. It looks like a little rock that you pop it on and it charges the phone automatically. They mention how you can use it and while it's charging by just tapping on the screen, and it allows you to speak to whomever via speakerphone, or just lift it up out of the dock and it'll pick up automatically. So that's also very nice feature that it has. It has a lot of similar features to and compared to the iPhone. Has web capabilities to handle Java and other things. They didn't mention anything about Flash, although they did mention that the programs are web created, so it's an open source application, so a lot of people will be able to create applications for it. The unit also supports 35mm headsets, so you can listen to music comfortably. Something I personally am not a big fan of is the keyboard. I feel it's a little bit small, although given it has a small form factor, it's handy, but you have to be used to the small buttons from the previous generation Trio phone, since this is again a small phone with a small keyboard. A great feature that they did add with the keyboard is as you're starting to type into the phone using the keyboard, it starts doing a search of all relevant information that might already be in the phone. If it finds that it's not already in the phone, it's going to give you the option of doing a search on the web through Wikipedia, Google Maps, or Google itself, which are quite interesting. Also, the phone has GPS should you need it, and it has a very unique gesture setup, similar to the Apple iPhone, that you can zoom in, zoom out, and where the touchpad is, they have a very unique way of displaying. Over here is a sensor, and you can do movements going back and forward and so forth, which is different since they don't have that much space to work with, and they seem to have done a pretty good job in doing so. Also, they have a very nice way of managing the applications that are running in the background, that you could actually swap between applications very easily. So for those of you that are interested in getting something alternatively to the iPhone, I think this is going to be a very handy tool for people that want a business type tool that's smaller than the iPhone, that allows you to change the battery, that offers 8 gigs of hard drive space, and endless possibilities from what it looks like. So Palm did a great job, and I'm looking forward to trying this one day in my hand. So release date is February 15th so far. So if you own one or you're planning to get one, please leave some comments. Let me know. And thanks for watching.